Sport S. Today it's like a bit windy for it, but I haven't flown this in a long time. So I figured I'd give her a shot. See, look at that beauty. I think it's going to be a hand launch, guys. There we go. And he's just going to fly above me. Oh, that's interesting. Geez, I can keep it in nice and close for the camera. Like on 0 power right now in safe. Huh. Going backwards. Wow. Just working to get back over here. Loop. No loop. Yeah, loop. Yeah, I definitely say it's way too windy for this little bird today. Using everything it's got to get back over here. Oh. Nope. Nope. That's funny. Yeah, I just hovered above my head here until the battery dies. Let's back off a bit, then I can fly backwards. Perfect landing. That was fun. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.